When your best people leave, everything they knew walks out with them. What's left is scattered: docs, chats, spreadsheets, and heads. Every tool holds its own version of the truth. It's expensive. Bad data costs the average enterprise $13 million a year, and 95% of AI pilots deliver nothing. The foundation isn't ready. A company brain fixes this. A living map of how your business actually works, readable by people and by AI. Inside, every entity is defined once. Every metric has one governed formula. Relationships are proven. Rules are encoded. Every change is versioned. Ask how many active customers you have, and today you'll get 3 answers. With a company brain, everyone gets the same one, with the receipts to prove it. AI agents stop guessing too. They ask the brain, get governed context, and act. Deterministic, not probabilistic. The payoff is real. Decisions 3 times faster, a 320% return in 3 years. And answers you can finally trust. Safely too. Access rules are enforced before data is ever read. Every answer is logged. And timing matters. Companies building their brain now pull ahead. Soon, that gap becomes permanent. That is what Colrows builds. An autonomous semantic layer that becomes your company brain. It crawls your sources, governs every definition, feeds AI-trusted context, and maintains itself. Everything you just saw, out of the box. Give your company a brain. Colrows.